Okay, hi, Rick Socia here, Southern Ontario Auto Restore, showing you this our latest restoration, 1969 Chevelle SS396 convertible. We're going to give you a quick walk around tour. I'll do some talking in the background. But this was a full body off frame restoration, new floor pans, new braces, frame repair. Everything was new or changed, rebuilt, ball joints, steering, everything was done on this car. New braking system. It's factory power brakes, disc brake on this car. Factory power top, bucket seats, console, 396 automatic transmission. In the beautiful blue. So let's just have a quick walk around. 10:1 compression. Summit 750 carb. Aluminum rad with twin fans. Aluminum water pump, aluminum pulleys. This car was built to drive. It's not going to be a trailer queen. SS striping, pearl white interior. Got the full gauge package. Retro sound stereo, horseshoe shifter, all new upholstery, all panels and covers from POI Interiors. All new seals, gaskets, all the rubber products were changed. Plate. 3-inch dual exhaust. 12-bolt. Set of vintage racing, American racing.